Hi, my name is Vas and welcome again to iSky production, and today in this video I want to talk about what accessories and gadgets I'm using with my cameras like Insta360, GoPros and my main cameras. So basically I have a full bag of accessories and I want to show you them all, and obviously you can think which one may be useful for you, may not, but we can talk about that. So I got a full bag of gadgets. So that's my old Canon bag, which I had it for 9 years now, 8-9 years. I wanted to sell it, but because I didn't have any other options where to put all my accessories, I decided to keep it. So that's my bag where I keep all my mini tripod, extra batteries and other accessories. So I'm gonna show you everything I got in this bag, tell you everything about each one and what I'm using it for, and you probably can use it as well for if you find it useful for yourself. So let's open this bag and let's have a look what's inside. Also, before we move forward, do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions, ask in the comments and I'll get back as soon as possible. This is my new channel and if you find it useful, feel free to subscribe, don't be shy. I'm gonna open this bag now and let's have a look what's inside. Obviously I know what's inside, just I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna leave this on the side. I'm gonna start with this little mini tripod. I like this mini tripod because I'm using it for my GoPro. I also can use it for my Insta360, which is pretty useful mini tripod. So as you can see here, you can keep it like that in a hand and just record everything you need, or if you want to just you can make it like a mini tripod. You also it's extend, so as you can see here, I'm gonna show it a bit. I'm gonna close it. So it is extend if you want to shoot some time lapses or if you want to make a selfie for yourself and your partner. So this is a good thing. And that's the head where I put my GoPro. So you need to be careful not to do too tight, otherwise you might break them things. And this is my number one accessory in my little bag, and I'm gonna leave this one on the side and I'm gonna do the next one. The next one I have here, it's my mini tripod for my camera. So sometimes when I'm doing vlogs, even videos for my YouTube channel, I'm using this mini tripod to put my M50 with the lens. So it's pretty easy and very handy because it doesn't take a lot of space, and also it's really safe as well to use with a bigger lens. You can, if that's too much, you probably can use another option. So if them legs goes a bit like that. So this is another accessory I'm using and I'm having in my bag and I'm not planning to sell. So that's number two. Now as you already probably know, that's an Insta360 selfie stick. It's a good stick, selfie stick if you do a vlog and you just want to stick your Insta360 camera on top and just record around and have that invisible stick in your footage. So that's my number three selfie stick. So I'm gonna leave that on the side. I've purchased this kind of I forgot how it calls, but it's really handy sometimes. So example, if sometimes I'm going with my pram on the street and I'm attaching my Insta360 here, and this goes to the pram handle and I squeeze in and that Insta360 records everything. You also can attach this to any handrails or anything that you can attach, and if you want to shoot some time lapses, this is ideal accessory in your bag if you want to shoot some time lapse. Just let you know, I haven't tested on a bigger camera. So that's my number four. I'm gonna leave it here on the side and we're gonna move it to the next. This is what I call, it's sometimes I'm using this in my car to record some time lapse when I'm driving. So this I'm attaching on my windshield screen and I'm attaching my GoPro as well. Sometimes I've tried with Insta360 but it's not as good as with GoPro. Just let you know that I'm using this middle attachment to this because I had from a small rig and that broke down and lasted me only a couple of months and I was really upset about that and I've asked for a refund, but I'm still using it now. I'm using only the bottom bit, everything else just broke down. So this will be my number four accessory in my little camera bag. So I'll leave it on the side. That's some for my camera and lens. As you already know, I'm using them sometimes not. So I'm gonna leave them on the side. They're not really important. This is if you do vlogs with your phone or if you want to shoot something with your phone. So this bit you can attach your phone. It is extends. So if you click this little button, it goes like this. As a map, you can rotate this a little bit. Here you go. So it's all pretty good if you do vlog, and you can put this one on a tripod. For example, if I want to use this one and can just screw this one here, and I can use my phone to shoot something, obviously some time lapses or anything which I intend to shoot with my phone. So this is my number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, number 6, isn't it? So I'm gonna leave this on the side. I'm gonna move to the next one. This is accessory from Insta360. I'll be honest, I've never tried it because I'm not feeling safe, and also I didn't have time to test it, so this is probably not as useful as other accessory and mini tripods I have in my camera bag. Now we're gonna move to the next one. So the next one is just GoPro attachments. As you can see, and as you probably know them, you probably can attach them to the main tripod or mini handle which comes with GoPro. So this goes on top, and you basically attach your GoPro and just shoot around. So they are really mini little accessories I still put in my bag. Move to the next one, just some screws for the GoPro, and again that's another attachment for this. Sometimes I'm using, sometimes I just need to change. As you can see here, that's different attachments, and this is designed only for GoPro, so I just have them to both. I need to change them in some case. So I'm gonna leave them on the table and move to the next one. This is my Insta360 spare battery. Not why I have it in my bag, but I'm still having that in my accessory bag if I need to change the battery. So this is a plug charge your phone. It's good to have it in my bag. Never use it, but it may come handy. Move to the next one. Now we're gonna move to another accessory I purchased. So this accessory I've purchased is basically for my backpack bag. So this the main thing I wanted to do is just attach this to my backpack, put a camera here and just recording while I'm walking, and just for vlogging. It might come handy, but I still haven't used it, so still keep it in my bag just in case maybe one day I want to use it. Next things, I got some little bits which are for the GoPros, so I'm gonna leave them on the table as usual so you can see. Now what I got here, that's for my camera adapter to attach to the adapter, so I'll just put that one on a tripod. It wasn't the camera, but I'm not using it anymore, but I still keep it in my bag. Another attachment for the GoPro, but this one is a sticky one, so if you want to stick that to a helmet, this is more related to people that drives motorcycles. Now moving to the next one, that's attachments for my tripod for the camera, so I put camera here and attach it to my tripod. Pretty simple. Again, another little bit for my GoPro and Insta360, which I have in my camera bag. Now I'm gonna move to the next one. This is the one that came with the GoPro 12 bag. I've never used it, but I'm kind of thinking to try it. So this is like head strap, and you can put your GoPro here and just record around. Now I'm gonna move to the next one. So that's it one, again came with GoPro. I don't like it, so I'm gonna leave that one aside. So no much left apart from the main thing, which I'm using always. This is my power bank. It's 100%. I'm using this to charge my drone's battery, my phones. Never tested on my MacBook, but I'm kind of thinking to try it maybe once. But it's really handy, and it's really heavy, just letting you know, but it also holds a lot of energy. Where I used to use my phone quite a lot. I've charged my phone like 2-3 times with this, and it still didn't go very low. So you can hold a lot of energy, and you can charge your phone quite a lot of times, or your MacBook or battery drone. So that's pretty much what I have in my little accessory bag. I got some cables here, cable type C, so I got a charger for iPhone. That's pretty much. I got SD card adapter as well, which sometimes I'm using, but if not, just it's good to have it in my accessory bag because you never know when I might need it. And that's pretty much all my accessories in my little accessory bag. You might find useful what I recommend. If any of them might look interesting to you, I would probably recommend to buy this little tripod for GoPro if you do vlog, because you can torrent one into a mini tripod. So it's pretty much similar to this, but I'll probably choose this one because you can transform it into a mini tripod. This is another important thing which I'm using pretty much always, so that stays in my accessory bag. Selfie stick for Insta360 always stays in my bag, and also my power bag. There is a thing, it's just optional, so I'm not using them, the rest of them quite a lot apart from what I've shown you. And also power bank. Yeah, power bank is something which is makes sense to use quite a lot. But that's my little accessory bag. If you're interested, I've left some links in the description if you want to check it out, or if you want to buy them, feel free to click that link, and that will gonna send to Amazon. And obviously if you purchase anything, I'm gonna earn some commission, little commissions, little pennies, but it won't change the price for yourself. And that's pretty much it. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, thumbs up as well. Any questions, ask in the comments. Maybe you want to ask something about any of them, ask in the comments. I'll be really happy to reply back and help you with your needs. So that's pretty much. Thanks a lot for watching my video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.